Good morning.
Hello.
How are you?
Good. I'm full of food.
Yes, we just had a lovely time in a little B&B, and now we are walking into Warwick Castle. Yay! You ever been?
No.
I've been once. Hopefully it'll be just as good, if not better this time. Anyway, yeah, we'll just film what we're gonna do and explore and be all castly.
All castly.
Yeah. So we've got our Merlin passes and we have pre-booked, and we could have parked for free, but our hotel is just at the entrance.
It's literally right outside the entrance.
And the man was very, very kind, and he was like, just leave your car here, just leave your car here. And I was a bit sceptical because I didn't know where it would be. And then we came straight out the door of the B&B. There was a massive sign that said Warwick Castle. So yeah, quite pleased we're walking in. It's not very busy. There's like no cars. Still should be good.
Well, it opens at 10 and it's 5 past, so...
Oh, okay. But then, see, like when we go to like Fort Parker now, when it opens at 10, like 10 is busy.
True.
So, oh, there's a little stream. And still, I think it's going to be... I don't think, to be honest, it'll be insanely busy.
No.
I could be proved wrong. But,
There's a few cars in the car park.
Yeah. Oh, I'm really excited for this. Look at that! How many miles to everything? Ta-da! We're in! Yeah, it's really sunny. You didn't take the sunglasses that were in my car.
Ah,
Oh, well. Right, so we've got a bird show at 12 or 2:30. But most importantly now, just explore. Oh, there's a maze.
There's a sign that says get lost.
This sounds like a good idea. Yeah.
Let's do it. What a show. Punishable by death.
Oh wait, they wouldn't have sunglasses in the Tudor age.
What do you call a carrier pigeon with a broken wing?
Oh, fuming. We can't get the stamp for the Normans because the whole thing's closed. The nasty Normans, we can't get the stamp. We can get the rest of them. We're in the measly Middle Ages now. We'll have to settle for that. Maybe we stamp it to the Normans for that, because we did technically find the Normans. maze.
You win.
Yay. It's quite a cool maze actually. As far as mazes go. Should we go to the Great Hall?
Yeah.
Yeah. So
We've got one
cold.
more.
Hey. It's so cold, it'll be quite nice to actually get inside.
We've only been outside for about 10 minutes.
I'm cold still. Indoors, wasn't it?
Yeah, down the Great Hall.
Yeah, and see all the staterooms and everything. Really enjoyed that. 12 o'clock to the bird show, and it's about half 11 now. So if we find that now, get ourselves all settled, get some decent seats, and then we can do all the exploring of all the like upper bits and climby bits and jazzy bits.
All the other bits.
The bits.
So
After
many
that.
bits.
But we got to make sure we don't miss the birds of prey.
Have we got enough time?
So excited for this. But I also don't want to like end up with like a rubbish seat and I can't see, and then I'll have to go to the 2:30 show, then I've got to time my whole day around birds of prey, and it's a whole palaver. I don't want to do that, so let's go now. Looks like there's going to be some cool birds on display. Don't you think?
All the birds will
That bird show was so cool.
Quality.
It was so fast.
There was a peregrine falcon, and then I forgot the first bird.
Yeah.
He was called Charlie.
First one was called Charlie, second one was called Magic. And they were flew.
Peacocks up there as well.
Oh yeah, we'll go have a look at that. I think they do tea and stuff here. Maybe coffee. I could do with
go with
coffee.
one.
Yeah.
Coffee and
Oh, it was so
tea.
interesting. Yeah.
It was really cool.
And we just had a chat to the dude. Falcon got a bit aggy because there was another falcon about. Yeah.
Started screaming.
It was wicked.
Wow, a watering can.
How cool that we're just sat having a little coffee and there's just peacocks chilling, walking about. Oh wow, he's actually having... But look, he's just here. Hey, you right? Dude, what are you
Have a
doing?
bit of the cookie that we dropped.
Oh, fair. Don't blame him for that. Look at all his feathers. It's cool, isn't it? And there's another one. We've got a parade of peacocks. I'm just sat here. With my peppermint mocha. How was your tea?
Good.
And
There
how was your cookie?
Peacocks all around
Yeah,
the tables.
I can highly say. And one of them got really aggy and started like flapping at me because I started like giving it an accent.
You gave him a voice and he wasn't happy with the voice you gave him.
He was fuming. Anyway, we're actually going to now explore the castle because we've been here
Like 10, we walked, well, no, it was about like 10:30, 11, and it's now 1:30.
Yeah, so we've been here 3 hours and we've done one bit of the castle. Birds. We've done mainly birds.
And tea.
And tea. But I've enjoyed birds and look, there's another peacock. There's so many peacocks. And one over there. Anyway, let's go and do the rest of the castle.
More people than peacocks, but still. not
Yeah.
Peacocks.
We're going to do the rest of the castle now?
Oh, I suppose so, yeah.
Yay! Please mind your head. Hello.
Someone's lost their umbrella. I think that's an umbrella.
No! Did you enjoy the stairs?
No, I didn't enjoy the stairs.
They were not nice stairs.
They were tiny, my feet couldn't fit on.
We climbed. Oh, lovely. I was going to say we climbed some more stairs and then you just burped. Lovely.
You're not allowed in. This is the guy's tower, so. See you later.
Bye. Oh, I'm not a fan of the windy staircase malarkey.
Walking like a penguin.
Look at him, he literally is. I'm not having fun.
It just gets dark.
Oh, great. Hey, we're at the top.
We did it. Go team.
Did not enjoy the
Is there like a sign that says how many steps?
spirals. Too many. Too many. It said there's over 500. Ooh. Almost fell over. No. Windy staircases. Not my bag. The view is quite pretty. Look at it. Look at it. That's the little churchy. Got church. You can see a little gate there. That's cool. What did you think of all the windy stairs?
There's a lot of them. I lost count.
At one point you were like 85 down.
Yeah, but then we sort of went across and then went up again and then went down and I just sort of lost track.
And then we went
of
up
everything.
another time. So many stairs. There's no need for that many stairs.
Well over like 300, 400. Tiny, narrow, windy stairs.
Yeah. So I had to put the camera away because I thought if I'm going to lose something, I don't want it to be this. I've got to take this away on more trips. But anyway, it was cool. We took some photos. I might put a photo here. There you go. Anyway, so if that wasn't enough climbing, we're now going to go up a steep hill. Well, I guess we'll show you that. Unless there's like a big drop and then I'll put the camera away because I'll be scared. The Conqueror's Fortress. Dun dun dun.
Slightly regretting doing the oars.
Yeah.
Bow and arrow.
Why do these old castles have so much climbing involved in them? Hey, that's a pretty view. As modelled by They should hire you just to stand here and be like, view? And the fun thing, right, about Warwick Castle is that they've got, right in the corner over there, a place I will never go.
A spooky little dun.
It is at this junction that I would like to point out, I will never, ever, 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 ever go to one of the dungeons. London, Alton Towers, Castle, Edinburgh, it's just not my bag. Absolutely no chance whatsoever. Genuinely would rather go for dental surgery.
Up pops the SpongeBob 3 hours later slide.
No.
She's in there.
Absolutely no chance. Hey. This is more me. Like, paths. Oh, hello. This looks like a music video. So, the very nice man in the hotel told us that we need to make sure we check out the mill. And he said most people don't go and see it. So we're going to go and see it. I'm pretty sure I didn't see it last time I went. So, we'll see. And we will report back once we are there. But I have a feeling that, like most things in this castle, I'm going to have to take about 5 million stairs to get there.
We just took about 15.
There we go, that's a good start, isn't it? The man in the hotel was right. Like, you
stand here, you can see just how tall
castle is. It's quite a big castle. We've just done the second bird show. We saw
an
owl called Ernie.
Ernie the owl.
Ernie the owl. And
Katie. I think it was the
red kite.
Red kite.
Yeah. That was really good. I didn't really film it because the camera's running low on battery. Yeah. But anyway, it was so cool.
Gift shop.
Go gift shop and home. Yeah, it's been a lovely day. Yeah.